Good afternoon, everyone. We are here from this Fade World Championship Singapore 2024. We also have any Grandmasters from Gukesh from India, 18 years old, and also have Grandmaster from China, Ding Liren. In this game 1, we are scored from 1 point Ding Liren from China, and also scored Gukesh India 0. In this last game 2, draw score 1.5 from Ding and 0.55 by Gukesh. In this game 3, we have analyzed here from these chess games. So white play Gukesh d4, knight f6 Ding Liren, knight f3, d5, c4, e6. So it's called Queen's Gambit decline, captured, a takes d5, knight c3, c6, and also queen c2. So queen c2 moves from Gukesh, and also we have best moves from bishop g5 are best moves from white pieces. So it means queen c2 are moving from Gukesh from this will capture protect so these knights here, and also g6, h3 we have no more bishop g4 and knight g4, and also bishop f5 we have threatening queens, and also queen b3, queen b6 we have queen to queens here, so queen to queen, so I think queen to queens from this already captured. Also g4 threatening bishop, we have accept from this queen and captures, and bishop c2. Oh my god, so why is bishop c2 from Ding Liren? So why will not backwards from I think bishop d7 here? So it's okay for backwards from bishop d7. So it means so so in other words, why Ding Liren's moving bishop c2? If you e4, oh my god, it's dangerous lock a bishop. And also bishop f4, h5, oh my god, capture, ready captured pawn. And also rook g1, h takes g4, captured pawn, and knight bd7, so no more fun of this booklet. And also the booklets found best moves is captured here, bishop takes b3. So it means so the captured is knight bd7 are moving this black pieces from Ding Liren's here. And also knight d2 protects the pawn. Rook g8, g5 also threatening knights here. Knight h5 you also threatening bishop here. Bishop h2 and rook h8. The rook h8 are ready to capture backwards from knight f6 here. And also f3, knight g7. Oh my god, knight g7 are because rooks are will capture so these bishops here. And also bishop g3, rook h5, we also captured pawns from this here, are given bad moves from Ding Liren. The best moves of this one is bishop e7, and also they also have white pieces rook c1. We also have bishop f5, and also e4 threatening bishop backwards from e6. So this is a best moves from black. So back here from rook h5. Oh my god, there are dangerous of this one. Boom, e4. E4 we are not accept moves from bishop because it's dangerous from I think the movings from this rook c1 from will capture this bishop here, and also captured f takes e4, knight e6. So knight e6. The next move, dangerous on this one. Boom! Rook c1, another good move by Gukesh. So rook c1s are captured of this bishop. The dangerous bishop will not accept backwards here from moving bishop. Knight takes d4, and also bishop f2, good moves. Another good moves from Gukesh. Strong move, Gukesh. And also bishop g7, yeah, protects the knight. Knight e2, another good move by Gukesh. Hmm. So, so knight e knight e2, another good move. And accept knight takes b3, rook takes c4, failure. For example, in accept, why will not move from bishop d3? So it's okay bishop. So why is still moving here? So it's okay bishop d3 will move from there. So I think accepts here from this one, from this moves, from this one. So back here from this one here. So I think the rook takes c2 are failure from this. So bishop from failures against that. And also knight takes d2, king takes d2, knight e5, and also knight d4, rook d8, king e2, good move by Kukesh. Rook h2, you have threatening bishop here, threatening bishop, and also bishop g2, a6, d3, and rook d7, rook c1, king e7, rook c d1, king e8, bishop g3. So threatening rook here, and also bishop threatening here from this knight. So the moves is rook h5, threatening pawn. Oh my god. Knight f3, capture knight takes f3. So why will not captured from rook? Okay, it's okay from this captured here. So I think it's okay captured. If knight takes f3 here, so bishop takes f3, and also rook h3, so winning for whites here. So back here from this one, we have knight takes f3, king takes f3, bishop d4 threatening rook, and also rook h1. Rook takes g5. Oh my god, another puzzle moves from this strong move there from white. Boom! Bishop h3. Good move by Gukesh. We have threatening here from this rook. If rook here, if it moves from rook d8, oh my god. Bishop h4. Oh my god, double. For example, if you move from this bishop, I mean rook d8, oh my god. Bishop h4, my god, double. Oh, doubles here. So double. So back here from bishop h3, you also have f5, bishop f4, and last moves from this one, rook h5. After rook h5, so resigns from Ding Liren. So why is resigns? Because if you captured bishop takes f5 sacrifice here, if you bishop f5 sacrifice, if you capture this one from bishop, we have captured here rook takes h5, so winning for whites here. So winning for whites. So it means congratulations from Grandmasters India Gukesh. The score of game 3 is is a tie from score 1.5. So next game 4, we have also play from Dingley Rens versus Gukesh game 4. So 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 I hope that you enjoy the games here. So thank you for watching here. I'm Mark Luwagi 17, aka I Cool Mark 17. So thank you so much here from this chess game. So have a good day. Goodbye.